Hello guys, look at this guys, what we have. We have a basket full of toys. So many different type of toys, as you can see. So many different type of toys. So guys, today I will show you all my toys. Let's start guys. Guys, first we have a plane. Let's take it aside. Wow. Let's take it over here and I will show you. Wow guys, look at this. This is a jet airplane, yellow color. Wow, amazing. Woo! Woo! Look at the design, so beautiful. Wow. Design is so beautiful, so amazing. Jet airplane. And next one is a colorful scooter. Wow, look at this guys. A colorful scooter with so many colors. Orange, white, green, blue. Wow. Wow. Beautiful scooter with so many colors. And guys, next one we have a Jeep over here. As you can see, wow. 4G military Jeep. Look at the tires. Wow. Amazing design, amazing colors. Green, yellow, black. Wow. So many different colors. And here we have a truck. Wow, guys. This is a truck. A 8-wheeler truck. So many tires. 8 tires, guys. Wow. A dump truck, as you can see. Wow. A dump truck with 8 tires. Wow, so beautiful. And here we have a gun. Whoa, guys, look at this. Wow. Beautiful gun with amazing design, amazing colors. So beautiful, guys. And here we have one more gun. Wow, look at this. Amazing design gun. Wow, so many beautiful design. And here we have a crane. Wow guys, look at this. This is a crane. Amazing crane with amazing designs. 6-wheeler crane. 6-wheeler crane. And the next one is a gun. Wow. Here is a button, a black color gun. Wow guys, look at this. Let's close this button. And here we have a 3-wheeler bike. Wow. 3-wheeler bike with amazing design. A man is driving this bike. Look at the tires. Wow, look at the design. So beautiful. So amazing type of toys. And here we have a ATV bike. Wow, look at this guys. Big size jumbo tires. And here we have a handle. Yellow black color ATV bike. 4-wheeler bike guys. With amazing designs. Wow. And the next one is a scooter. A colorful scooter, as you can see. Beautiful design guys. And next one is a cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. To mix cement, we will put cement into this. Then this will mix the cement. And we can get out the cement from here. Wow. Amazing color with amazing design, cement mixer truck. And here we have a green color truck. Wow, so many different colors. Green, red. And the size is so beautiful, color is so beautiful. Amazing guys. And the last one is a 4-wheeler truck taking dinosaur in this. Wow, a loading truck taking dinosaurs. Beautiful. Wow. So guys, I have shown all the toys. And here we have different type of toys, as you can see. All are very different, so amazing. Look at this. So guys, if you liked all the toys, then like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.